Fox asked its mother's help. Mother Fox asked, "What happened to you? Why are you so sad?" Fox said, "There are 2 hens in that forest whom I wish to feed on." Mother Fox said, "Don't worry, I will help you." Fox had no idea that what its mother will do. Mother Fox gave a bag to the fox and said, "You can easily catch the hens by using this bag." Fox got the bag and happily went to the hens. One of the 2 hens came out of the house joyfully. Fox was hiding behind a tree. When the hen came here, Fox caught it with a bag. It went happily with the hen. There came the other hen. There came the other hen. And escaped from the place. Fox, after waking up, set off to its home, thinking it to be the hen. Fox happily called out its mother and said, "Mom, I caught the hen." When the fox inverted the bag, there was nothing inside it. Both the fox and its mother were surprised, and the mother fox became angry with the fox.